Hello everyone, welcome to Travel, Food and Lifestyle. Today we are going to talk about perfect health food or ultimate health food. You may be wondering, what is it? We are talking about carrot. Yes, carrot is called perfect health food because it has amazing properties. It is rich in beta carotene. It has fibers, it has vitamin K, it has potassium, and it is rich in antioxidants. It has amazing properties and amazing health benefits. It comes in many colors, but I am sure this is the most common color you may have come across, that is orange. It is slightly sweet, but it can be bitter as well. Today, we are going to discover 8 amazing health benefits of carrot. What are we waiting for? Are you ready? Let's explore the amazing benefits of carrot. So the first amazing benefit of carrot is it's good for your eyes. This is the most popular benefit of carrot and also the superpower of carrot. Actually, carrot has something called beta carotene. When you eat carrot, this beta carotene is converted by human body into vitamin A, and vitamin A is very important for your eyes. So, if you eat carrot, you can be assured that you will always have good eyes, especially the people who have deficiency of vitamin A. It is very good for them and it gives them the best and good eyesight. So, if you're looking for good eyesight, the first benefit is eat carrot and it will give you good vision. So the second benefit of carrot is it protects you from cancer. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, and these antioxidants fights with free radicals which protects you from cancer. Especially, carrot has 2 kinds of antioxidants. First one is carotenoids and second is anthocyanins. These 2 help you from all kinds of cancers, especially cancer related to stomach. And for women, it protects them from breast cancer. So I recommend all of you to consume carrot and it will protect you from cancer. So the third benefit of carrot is it lowers cholesterol level and maintains blood pressure. Actually, high cholesterol level brings problems related to heart. And intake of carrot reduces and lowers cholesterol level. Especially the potassium in carrot relaxes the tensions in blood vessels and arteries and helps in smooth flow of blood, which makes your blood pressure at the right level. So I suggest you all to please add carrot in your diet. Fourth amazing benefit of carrot is it helps in weight loss. Actually, carrot is a low calorie fruit or vegetable and it is very rich in water content. Because of this, when you eat carrot, you feel full and you don't eat much, which brings weight loss. Not only that, I highly recommend you to eat carrot before you eat your meals. Then it will give you the maximum benefit. So the fifth amazing benefit of carrot is it's good for your heart. Actually, there are 3 reasons. First is all these antioxidants which I have just mentioned really gives good heart health. Secondly, the potassium in carrot also gives good heart health. And the third reason why carrot is good for your heart is because they are rich in fiber. The richness of fiber actually makes the LDL cholesterol in control and remove LDL cholesterol from the walls of arteries and veins in the body, which really makes sure the circulation of blood in the body is well kept. So the sixth benefit of carrot is very important in today's environment. It brings very strong immune system to you. Actually, carrots are rich in vitamin C, which builds antibodies in your body, and these antibodies fight with any kind of virus and flu and provides you a strong immune system. Carrots are also rich in vitamin B6 and vitamin K. It has potassium, fiber and many minerals, which is really important for your body, which brings strong and good immune system. So, if you are looking for a strong immune system, I suggest you, if possible, eat raw carrot. That will be the most beneficial for you. So the seventh amazing benefit of carrot is research and evidence-based, that it controls diabetes. Actually, carrots are rich in vitamin A, which is really important to control diabetes. Not only that, it is recommended for all diabetes patients to eat non-starchy food, and carrot is one of them. Along with it, carrots also have beta carotene, which adds another reason and benefit for it to control diabetes. Last but not the least, eighth benefit of carrot is bit surprising. Lot of people think that to have strong bones we need calcium, and we get calcium from dairy products. That's true. But carrot is another vegetable which is rich in calcium, and it gives you strong bones. Especially in one of the scientific research, it has been concluded that to avoid hip fracture, you should eat carrots in your diet. So, finally, I suggest you all to eat balanced diet including carrot in it. Carrot has many more benefits. I suggest you all to have a mixed and a balanced diet and try to eat carrot raw and before your meals to get maximum benefit of it. Finally, thank you for watching Travel, Food and Lifestyle. I wish you all good health and stay healthy. Thank you very much.